Alright, now we're gonna finish putting
The oil in. The half quart. We'll check the radiator fluid.
Try to check all the fluids that you can. The radiator.
We'll check the radiator when it's cold. Not hot because it could blow back on you and burn you.
And you want to check the brake fluid.
Yep.
And this is your windshield washer fluid, which is full.
Brake fluid. And the front's down a little, or the rear's down a little bit.
This is your rear brakes, and this is your front brakes.
The front brakes take more fluid for more power to stop. Your front brakes do like 70% of your stopping of the vehicle. Make sure that it's locked on.
And check your
Power
power
steering.
steering.
Is this full? Transmission fluid was already checked underneath the vehicle. The next thing you'll do will be putting the mileage sticker in for when your next oil change is due. You add 3,000 miles to the sticker, which I already have. It says 50,882. We're going to put 53,880. And that is when the next time this oil will be changed in this vehicle. And that is the end of it.
Alright, this is the end of my how to do project. I hope you know how to do an oil change now. And see ya.